Private key and its importance. Bitcoin ownership means that you can buy or sell them through a special address key. Once a transaction is processed, the payer needs to digitally sign the transaction. Digital sign means using your private key. So that private key that you have is your digital signature. Without a private key, transaction cannot be processed, no matter what. Even if you have all other evidence, but you have lost the private key, then even you cannot use or claim your Bitcoin, no matter what. Therefore, private key is like money in the pocket. And don't forget it, no matter what, because private key is really important. Thank you.